It's going to give you a overview of some common application layer protocols and summarize them into a condensed set of things that you need to sort of know about for your GCSE and A-level exams. So HTTP, which is one that we would use to access web pages on the internet, is referred to as Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and it's used by browsers to communicate with web servers to access websites. So what will happen is that you type in your website address that you want to access. Let's say you're visiting like a search engine like Google, and you will send your request to the server. So if we just draw a very sort of simple diagram here, here is the server and here is you. You will send a request via HTTP. The server will process that request and then send you some data back. HTTPS uses exactly the same format. It's just that it is secure. So we can see up here, actually, I have a HTTPS on this Google Doc that I'm using. So it's encrypted. So the communication between the server and the client that's being sent back is encrypted in some way. And if you want to understand more about encryption, go and see one of our videos which we've got related to those, also on our YouTube channel. File transfer protocol is how we transmit data from a computer onto a server. So rather than sending a request to view a website, what we're actually going to do is, let's say we want to transfer a video file onto a web server, like we want to upload it to like Google Drive, for instance, or we want to, probably not using FTP for Google Drive, but if we want to upload a video file onto our own web server, our own website, we would use it to move files over a network, so putting files onto a server. I actually don't know if Google Drive does use FTP or not. Then we've got some ones related to email. So we've got POP3, which is Post Office Protocol version 3, IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol, and SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. So in all cases, these are for transmitting and sort of sending and receiving emails. Now, there are some key differences that you need to know about between them, and they have come up on the GCSE exam, and they've been quite specific about the core differences. So POP3, first of all, is used to retrieve emails from a server. The server will hold the emails until downloaded, at which point it will delete them. IMAP, on the other hand, is used to retrieve emails from a server. Downloading emails will only create a copy on the device, and the server will hold emails until deleted. Now, some of you will have you'll have email on your phones, and you may find that you might have them set up in one way or another. So think about how your email works yourself on your mobile phone device. When it downloads it, does it delete it from your like your Gmail or Hotmail inbox, or does it keep it on there and then you go and delete it manually later? SMTP is used to send emails from devices and transfer emails between servers. So that's just the communication and how that is set up. So there's an overview of some common protocols, just understanding the different categories that they fit within.